I'm gonna reveal how to start making money online. Now you can see that on my Facebook, I shared a screenshot of just a few days ago where I was able to generate multiple commissions on total autopilot in a single day. These commissions ranged from $100 even all the way up to $2,000 commissions. So how can you also start creating these commissions on a daily basis if maybe you're brand new or you've never made money online before? Well, that's what I want to share with you. I want to share with you a direct sales opportunity that has been allowing people from all over the world, many brand new, plug into this, apply this simple 30 to 60 minute per day formula, and have been able to generate their first commissions and money online. And you can see some of the screenshots on the screen. These are some people that have been in our team and have been seeing some great results, making their first $100, their first $500 payment, which is absolutely incredible. See, maybe you're watching this video because you're stuck home right now. Most people are not able to go to work with what's going on in the world with the pandemic and everything. So maybe you're kind of worried because bills are coming. You don't know how you're gonna start making money. What I wanna share with you is a very simple method that's working now better than ever. See, all we do to generate income with this opportunity is we promote products by simply copy and pasting ads on social media. Now, when those ads get interested people responding to them, we just send them our done for you website. This opportunity gives you a website, so you don't have to create your own website and deal with all the complication. It will actually give you a website to start sharing with these people. And when they go to the website, it's gonna do all the telling, all the selling for you. Now you may be wondering, Garrett, but is this working as well now that you know what's going on? Well, the beautiful thing about this business is the products that we're promoting are digital marketing training products. So these products teach people how to make money online. More than ever right now, because people again are not able to go to work, they're stuck at home, they're looking and searching for ways to make money from home. So if you position yourself inside of this business, you're gonna be promoting a product that right now today is one of the most researched and desired products around the world, right? So what I wanna share with you is there's gonna be a button or a link underneath this video. When you click that, you're gonna be able to get much more information on exactly how this business works. Now there's different levels, and when you position yourself as high as you can inside of this business, you're gonna get access to all the tools, all the training, all the guidance you need to be able to realistically create income. We have people from all over the world, again, many backgrounds with no technical ability, age 18 to 80, who have been able to plug into this and start to see some absolutely incredible results. When you partner with me, you're gonna get added to our Facebook community. It has thousands of people from all over the world that are posting tips, posting inspiration, really there to motivate you to stick with this and start to get the results you want. Not only that though, once you position yourself inside of the business under me, I'm gonna personally reach out to you and share with you a game plan that's gonna allow you to hit your income goal as fast as possible. Again, this is an incredible opportunity. I've been doing this for over a year now and it's only getting better. And so I really wanted to share this. If you're someone that clicked on this video, you're looking for a way to make money online, this business is really gonna be the easiest and simplest for you because again, almost everyone has a social media account, whether it's a Twitter, a Facebook, you know, an Instagram, and almost everyone knows how to copy and paste. So when you copy and paste these ads and send the people that respond your website, you can sit back and feel good as you refresh your screen and see more commissions that have come in. So if you're interested, again, go down below, click the button or link under this video, check out this info, get started, and I look forward to working with you very soon. Take care.